For the last few years, web development has been obsessed with complex abstractions. We're told to memoize our functions, to wrap our state in hooks, and to meticulously manage dependency arrays, all just to handle a simple piece of state. This is a black box parrot, and when it inevitably breaks, it's almost impossible to debug. Today, I'm going to show you why Svelte 5's new runes are a powerful return to mechanical sympathy. This is a glass box approach. It's a simpler system you can actually understand and debug. And in robust software, a simple system you can debug is always superior to a complex one you cannot. Let's look at this simple React component. All it does is increment a counter and log the new value. But look at the complexity. To have state, we need useState. This hook returns an array we have to structure. To run code when the state changes, we need useEffect. This hook requires a dependency array. But if we want to use a helper function inside that effect, like log count, React's rules say we must also wrap that function in use, callback. And that function needs its own dependency array. And then we have to add that function to the useEffect dependency array. We're not managing our application's logic anymore. We are managing React's logic. We are fighting the abstraction. We have no mechanical sympathy for what is actually happening. This is a brittle, complex system. Now, let's build the exact same thing using Svelte 5 runes. This is the worse is better approach. It's simpler, and therefore, it is better. First, our state. We use the $state rune. It's not a hook. It's a glass box signal. It clearly tells the compiler this value is state. We can read it like a normal variable. We can write to it like a normal variable. Next, our effect. We just used $effect. Notice no dependency array. Why? Because Svelte understands the code. It has mechanical sympathy. It sees that log count uses the count variable, so it knows to rerun this code whenever count changes. I don't need to wrap log count in a special function. I don't need to add it to an array. It just works. The system is simple, it's auditable, and it's robust. We add our increment function. It's just plain JavaScript. And our markup is just plain HTML. We are writing code, not framework code. We can see the entire system from top to bottom. This is the glass box principle. This is how you build robust software. Why does this philosophy matter so much? Because complex, black box systems are brittle. They are hard to maintain, and they are a nightmare to hand off. If you are a developer, your true wealth is not earned by trading your time for a high salary. It is built by creating automated, high-margin side-stack systems that leverage your unique ability to create value at scale. And you cannot build a robust side stack on a brittle black box foundation. You need simple, auditable systems you can debug at 2 in the morning. This system's first thinking is the difference between being a developer who is always chasing the next framework and one who builds automated systems that create value while they sleep. This Svelte 5 approach is just one tool that embodies this philosophy. It's simple, it's robust, and it lets you focus on the problem, not the framework. If you found this system's first approach to programming valuable, I write about building these robust, high-margin side-stack systems in my free newsletter, The Sage's Ledger. We cover the rare intersection of AI programming and personal finance, all focused on helping developers stop trading time for money and start building automated value. It is 100% free. The link is at the very top of the description. Thank you for watching.